Let's test your logical thinking with 5 classic logic puzzles. 5 logic questions explained step by step. If fish is 8 and shrimp is 12, then sardine is equals to A. 14, B. 15, C. 16, D. 17. Let's analyze this step by step. We have to look for a logic pattern here. Take a look at the words. The word fish has 4 letters. If fish equals 8, then each letter is worth 2. Now look at the word shrimp. Shrimp has 6 letters. 6 times 2 equals 12. So the rule is very simple. Number of letters multiplied by 2. To confirm our hypotheses, now let's count the letters in sardine. S-A-R-D-I-N-E. That is 7 letters. 7 times 2 equals 14. Answer is A. 14. Let's move on to the next logic puzzle. If Paolo owns a Palio and Fernanda owns a Fusca, the owner of the Corolla is A. Diana, B. Giovanna, C. Bruna, D. Carolina. This question looks confusing, but the logic is very elegant. Look carefully at the names and the cars. The word Paolo and the word Palio both start with the letter P. Now let us look at the words Fernanda and Fusca. Both start with the letter F. So the rule is, the person's name starts with the same letter as the car they own. Now let's test the options. Diana and Corolla, letters D and C. These letters do not match. Giovanna and Corolla, letters J and C. They do not match. Bruna and Corolla, letters B and C. These letters do not match too. And finally Carolina and Corolla, both start with letter C. So, without rushing, and without guessing, answer is D. Carolina. Take a moment to notice something important here. Logic problems are rarely about speed. They are about patience, attention, and pattern recognition. Turkey, Christmas French toasts, raisins. What is the next word? Letter A. Panettone. Letter B. Wine. Letter C. Icebox cake. And letter D. Eggnog. This question is different from the previous ones. Here, we are not dealing with numbers or letters. We are dealing with meaning. So once again, we must observe, what do these words have in common? Turkey is a traditional Christmas food. Christmas French toast is a classic Christmas dessert. Raisins is commonly used in Christmas dishes in many cultures. So the pattern here is cultural and thematic. It is not alphabetical. It is not mathematical. It is about Christmas food. Now let's evaluate the options. Panettone is a traditional Christmas cake. Wine can be consumed at any time of year. Icebox cake is more common in birthdays and other celebrations. Eggnog is a Christmas drink, but not as universal. So the next word of the list is panettone. Answer is A. Panettone. Next logic question. Decode the logical word code. Big, B, I, G. And the options are A. 297, B. 279, C. 729, D. 972. This question uses a classic logic technique, letter position, where every letter in the alphabet has a numerical position. Let's convert each letter one by one. The letter B is the second letter of the alphabet. The letter I is the 9th letter. And the letter G is the 7th letter. Now the key detail. We must keep the same order. B, I, G, 297. So the answer is A. 297. And now, our final question. Anna bought 35 popsicles to eat with her 4 daughters. What time is it? A. 3:25. B. 0:53. C. 12:53. D. 16:25. This is a classic wordplay logic question. Look carefully at the information given. Anna bought 35 popsicles to eat with her 4 daughters. That means the popsicles are for 5 people in total. 35 popsicles divided by 5. Now comes the wordplay part of the puzzle. That gives us 35 to 5, which can be read as 35 minutes to 5 hours. But this result is not among the options, so we simplify the fraction, dividing both numbers by 5. That gives us 7 to 1. In time expressions, 7 to 1 means 7 minutes before 1 o'clock. Pay attention now. It is not before 13. 7 to 1 is equivalent to 0:53. So the correct answer is B. 0:53. How about you? Did you get all 5? Don't forget to like the video and leave your comment. Remember, logic is fun when you slow down and observe the pattern. Thanks for watching.